walks and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
The bear up there. I spy with my little eye high, high up in the sky, the work of a furry genius guy. Now I just need to build a super elevator. They'll say, mercy, mercy, I declare. Is that a bear way up there? It works! Gotta tell my buddies. Yum-ba-ba-bum-bum-bum! This is the first surprise. I built us a deluxe extra sweet treehouse. It can be our new headquarters.
That is the coolest thing!
Uh-huh. But how are we supposed to get up there? It's not like we have wings.
Easy peasy-o-matic.
Say hello to surprise number 2.
I really like surprises a lot.
In that case, prepare for liftoff.
What does that mean?
Bucky! Ta-da! Welcome to the sky.
So awesome! What a lovely view. And we're so high up.
That's true. Very high up. I built it in the tallest tree I could find. Franny, look, you can see your house.
Where? Oh, yeah. It looks so teensy-weensy.
Bucky, how do we get back down? Back down? That's the easiest part. Rope! One of Bearkind's most useful inventions. That's how we get down. Woo-ha!
Ooh, yay!
Bjorn, hey, it's your turn! Come on, I want to show you the third surprise. You guys go on. I'll catch up with you later. I'm going to stay here and enjoy the dizzy heights. I mean the pretty sights. So, what? Are you scared of coming down? Of course not. Don't make me laugh. Bjorn's kind of scared of heights. All right, we'll help you get back on the ground. Give me a hand with this, Franny. We're building the Great Pyramid of Leaves. Come on, just jump, Bjorn. You'll be fine. Not a chance. I'd like to see you jump from this high up. All right, hang on then. Time to be awesome. Here you go. Safe as can be. Thanks, Bucky, but I should stay up here a little longer. You can just bring me food sometimes. No way. Bucky doesn't abandon his friends. Oh, I can fix this problem. I just need our hot air balloon. Haha, that's it. Just stay put.
Bjorn, are you honestly afraid of heights?
Afraid of heights? No, not at all. I'll get down when I'm good and ready. But first, I'll wait for this wind to die down.
Bjorn, help me!
Franny, get down from there! I can't look.
I'm so scared!
Franny, just hang on!
Somebody! Help!
Franny! Bjorn, hey! Here I come! Your rescue is near!
Oh, please, help!
Bucky! Help Franny! Huh? What? Oh, Franny! I must save them all! Just hold on! I'm flying as fast as I can! Almost there! Hang on, Franny! I've got you! I hope! Whoa, wrong way! Stupid wind! Wait for me! Whatever you do, don't fall! I'll just circle the earth and come at you from the other side! Franny? Are you all right?
Well, I've been better.
I've got to think of something. Yes, did it. Don't look down, please. I can do this. Gotcha, all right. Are we dead? Hey, guys, relax. I'm back. Jump, Franny, I'll catch you. Franny, jump! Thanks, Bucky, but we rescued ourselves.
You should have seen him. It was awesome. Bjorn, you're the bravest bear ever.
It was while, guys.
Yeah! This is just great! Come on! You still haven't seen the third surprise! It's a high tower for diving! It's crazy high!
How high? Like cloud high or moon high?
Bjorn, come on! You beat your fear of heights!
I'm just worried that it won't be high enough.
Then I'll build a new one, twice as tall!
New rules.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all the numbers. Ready or not, guys, here Franny comes. I'm gonna find you. I found you really quick. I'm amazing at this game. The bucket was a nice try, though.
Well, next time, I'm gonna find the best hiding place ever, and you'll never find me at all. Robber in the deep, dark night. You better stay out of my sight.
I'm gonna find you. Aha! Nope, doesn't count. I can't be seen. What do you mean? Yes, you can. I'm looking right at you now.
Yeah, Bucky, I see you too.
Can't you see I'm standing on one leg? That means I'm invisible to the one who's in.
Where'd you hear that nonsense? There's no rule that goes like that.
Oh, yes, there is. It's a secret rule that's only for advanced hide-and-seekers. I made it back to home base. Looks like Bucky wins again. All right, Bjorn, you're it.
And now, what? You're just invisible whenever you want?
As long as I'm standing on one leg. Yeah.
Well, I don't really feel like playing hide-and-seek any longer.
Why don't we try freeze tag for a little while, guys? Sounds fun. Come on, Bjorn, you be it first. You'll never catch me. Franny, I gotcha. I'm frozen. Totally covered in ice. Frigid, frozen, icy.
Looks like I've got you trapped.
I beg to differ. As long as I'm sitting on the ground and pulling on my ear, I'm protected against tagging.
It sounds like you made that up.
It's from the Professional Freeze Tag League. It's right in the rule book. The ear hold rule.
I've never heard of an ear hold rule.
Then I don't know what you've been playing your whole life, but it certainly wasn't actual freeze tag.
Let's play dodgeball instead.
If you get hit, then you become it. Dodge this. The magical pony likes macaroni. I got you, Bucky. You're it. Oh, no, I'm not it. Because I just said the magical pony likes macaroni. And because I said that, the hit doesn't count. You're it again.
Come on. Bucky, there's no rule that goes like that.
Oh, yes, there is. Everybody knows it but you guys.
Oh, yeah? You can go play with all your crazy rules by yourself.
Great! I would love to, you noobs. I could invent a better playmate with my paws tied behind my back. Except not really, because I need my paws to hold tools and stuff. Done! Your only purpose is to play with me, you got it? We'll start with hide and seek. You close your eyes and count to 5, then come and find me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Engaged seeking protocols. Your location has been detected. Really? That was pretty fast. Let's play another round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Engaged seeking protocols. Your location has been detected. Again? That was so fast! It isn't fun when you always find me so quickly. All right, let's try a little freeze tag, and you're it! Target invasive. Engage countermeasure protocols. Now I recite the words, tag, you are it. But this isn't fair. You're completely too fast. Forget freeze tag. Let's play dodgeball. Engaging dodgeball protocols. Target acquired. Dodging the ball would be recommended. Hey! That is why this game... Hey! Give me a break! ...is called dodgeball. Ah, that's it! The magical pony likes macaroni! Giant badger in a tutu. Giant what? What does that mean? The statement, giant badger in a tutu, renders the statement, the magical pony likes macaroni, ineffective. You have one reminder for today. Play hide and seek with your good friends. Do what? Hide and seek with my good friends. I made it back to home base.
Well, I kind of almost caught you.
Hey, guys, can I play with you? We missed you, Bucky. I guess you can play with us again.
You're not going to invent a bunch of crazy new rules again, are you?
No, I'm not.
Then it's time for freeze tag, guys. And Bucky, you're it!
Wait, the magical pony likes macaroni!
Bucky, not that again.
Only kidding, I'm playing fair. I promise, just real rules. If you guys turn left again, I win!
Bucky!
Bear Investigations. It was a dark and stormy day. The poor, unsuspecting umbrella had no idea what was about to happen. The game was afoot. What was that noise? I must be hearing things. Or was I? And the storm finally passed, but a storm of a different kind was brewing. Listen, Bjorn, did you borrow my umbrella by any chance?
No, I didn't. Why would I? I have one. It's right there.
Dun, dun, dun.
It was just in this spot. It was right here. That's weird.
It gets weirder. Bjorn, my umbrella disappeared as well. One moment it was there, and the next it was gone.
That's incredible. Sounds like we have an umbrella snatcher on our hands.
Do you realize what this means?
Well, no.
I'll tell you what it means. Officer Bucky and Sherlock Bjorn are on the case. So our master detectives set out to crack the case of the century. Their first step, get a Groovatronic sleuthmobile. It's Detective-licious. With their eyes peeled as their tires squealed, our detectives got on their way to solve the crime and save the day. What's this? A witness? A suspect?
Franny Fox, someone has been stealing umbrellas. Your umbrella hasn't gone missing, has it? No, mine's just fine.
Don't play innocent with us. We know everything.
You do? Awesome. Why is the sky blue and not pink?
I'll ask the questions here. Exactly where were you all night long, Miss Fox?
Home, in my bed.
Ha! I knew it! Spill it! Where did you hide the umbrellas? Start talking!
Bucky, I don't think you're detecting right. Why would Franny steal our umbrellas? We have to uncover the thief's tracks to find them.
The tracks! Yes! Officer Bucky wouldn't relax until he found the culprit's tracks. The umbrella was right here. The thief just snatched it up and then ran off. Where are his footprints?
Chicky, help us. Go, find the tracks.
Chicky had quite a beak for crime. Got him? Good bird. Look, there were 2 thieves. The plot thickens.
Wait, look, there were 4 of them.
No, 6. There's a whole gang of thieves.
Bucky, wait.
And Bucky waited.
We're following the footprints we're making.
And just like that, their only lead vanished. Back to square one again. 1, we know our umbrellas were stolen by a thief. What's more, the criminal left no tracks. Thinking the thief used tunnels. Our umbrellas were stolen by moles, that's it!
Well, I'll be. Moles, wow. So how will we ever get our umbrellas back from them?
Elementary, my dear Bjorn. We build a mole trap and catch that umbrella-snatching mole. We just need to find some bait.
Find some bait?
Mm-hmm.
But we don't have any more umbrellas left. Moles took them. Well, I've still got one.
And so Officer Bucky, armed with nothing but a silly hunch and a gigantic IQ, set about creating a trap for the mysterious umbrella snatcher. Justice with a side of genius. Here goes. We're about to catch a thief. He'll be tunneling out of the ground any second now. Any second now. Any second now, trust me. Then, swooping down from the sky, a plot twist.
Get it, Bucky? Trap it! Your trap thing totally didn't work.
It's for moles. Last time I checked, moles don't fly.
Come on, Buck. How can we catch it?
Let's go. We need to follow it. Hurry! Time for a little hot pursuit. You're not getting away.
It's flying towards the outer woods, where it's easy to hide.
Bjorn, take the wheel.
Why?
I've got a plan. He bravely risked it all for the safety of umbrellas everywhere. Oh, yeah!
Nice shot! Moles, huh?
It was a reasonable theory given the evidence.
Aw,
Sure, they're cute, but those umbrellas are ours.
I don't mind. They're welcome to mine. They're welcome to my umbrella, too.
All right, whatever. They clearly need it. They can have mine, too. This detective's going back to work. I'm still pretty certain that those moles are up to no good. A detective's work is never done.